Hello everyone, so in today's video we'll be looking at how to design a hand nut or a thumb nut. So a thumb nut is a fastener that is made to be tightened by hand, and it's featuring this kind of wing features to ease manipulation and enhance the grip. Without further ado, let's jump into the design. So to create the thumb nut, go to New, click on Part and then click OK, and we'll start by sketching. Before moving ahead, make sure that your units are set up correctly. So now let's start our design. So let's start by creating the outer and the inner feature of our thumb nut. So just make it something close to these, and you should be good to go. So click on this line and click on this point and make them coincident. And now let's add in dimension. The internal dimension should be 5. Click OK, and the external dimension should be 7, and click OK. The total height should be 20, click OK. This distance here should be 7. Let's create a center line here, and this angle here should be 60 degrees. And now let's add in this dimension, so it should be 16 as well. And this dimension from this point to this point should be 10, and this height should be 17. That's it. Now let's go to Feature, Revolve Boss, and click OK. So you should get something that looks like that. Now let's add in the wing feature. Click on this face, go to Sketch, click on Circle, make it something like that, and then click on this line and click on Convert Entities. Make this point and this point vertical, right? Let's create a center line from this point to this point, and this distance should be 10, and diameter should be 34. All right, go to Feature, Extruded Cut, and click on this area, click OK. So it should be a blind extrusion. Now let's click on this feature and go to circular pattern, click on this face, make it for 360. Good. Now let's add in fillets, click on fillets, click on this line, let's select all of them, we don't want this one, and the inner diameter as well, or the inner entity as well, we don't want it. So the radius should be 0.5, just keep it at 0.5 for now. Yeah, we're good to go. Now let's select the front plane again. Let's make the view headlines, and let's start sketching again. So you should sketch something that looks like that. Now actually what we're sketching right now is the insert, and these inserts are usually made of bronze, brass, metal, and it's actually overmolded. So the inner diameter should be 5. And this distance here should be 2.5. Alright, once you're good, click OK. And let's go to Revolve Boss. So you should get something that looks like that. Actually go back and unselect the merge result. Alright, good. Now let's go back to our normal view. To differentiate between the two, select this body, external body, and go to Apparent, make it plastic. Since it will be plastic, just make it plastic. Let's go to something gray. Good. And go to this Revolve Boss inside, and since it will be metal, let's go to metal. Let's go to bronze or brass, and let's apply it. Now let's add the thread. Go to Hole Wizard, click on this arrow and go to Thread. Click OK and click on this line. It will give you an overview or preview of the thread that you will be getting. Make sure that it's 13 millimeters. Pitch would be 1. make an offset and reverse direction, and then make cut thread, not extruded thread, and then you're good to go. So this is how your thread would look like if you use this feature. And that was our tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you on the next one.